Good evening, amoebas. So, you're probably asking, what in the hell was he just playing? Because I've never heard that in my life. And that's probably true for 99.9% of YouTubers. It's actually, it's a jazz song. It was written in tribute to, I guess, Charlie Byrd, who was a great jazz player. The name of the song is Kind of Bird, by the Allman Brothers Band, done in the 90s sometime with Warren Haynes and Dickie Betts. And as you know, both of those guys, not so much Warren was more of a blues player, but I think Dickie probably wrote that song. He had a lot of jazz influence. And I just heard the song a few years ago. I'd never heard it before, and I was like, wow. And both guitar players were playing that together in unison and just dead on. There's that one part where they do the harmony. It's like, well, I'll tell you what, I'll play it slow because it's really hard to play. I was struggling through it for sure. So it's like this. At this point, this is where they play harmonies. So I'm playing both parts there. And he goes into this ridiculous riff. Go down and they play this little rhythm part. There's an organ solo at this point. Gregg Allman wailing on the B3. That's how they end it. They ended on that riff right there, just like that, and they hit it and just cut it off. But anyway, if you've never heard the song, it's really cool. Some great musicianship in it. Did I say that right? Musicianship. Yeah. So check out Allman Brothers live in Germany on YouTube, and you will find that song, Kind of Bird. And what a hell of a performance by the whole band. So go check that out if you've never heard the song. Hopefully I kind of got you a little excited about it by hearing it here. So anyway, check that out. Tell me what you think about it. I'm not really going to dig into how to play it because most people probably don't care. No one's ever going to like play it in a band because it's ridiculous. And if you really want to learn it that bad, you know, put a note down there to me, and I might, you know, pick it apart. At least the part that I know of it. I don't know the whole song. I just know that intro for the most part, a little bit of the rhythm. I could probably sit down and figure it all out, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that. So thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, you know, blase, all that good YouTube stuff. So you guys have a good night. Thanks.